What's up? So this is the VXL-3s. The ESC's fine, but it's hella fine with that fan on there. It's the little tiny receiver. Been through hell. This is the motor. This motor's like 6 months old, but it's been to hell and back numerous times. And so we bought a rebuild kit for it. Still did the exact same thing. It gets really hot almost immediately. At full throttle is only like 15% throttle of what the capability is. Now, if you can't see there, but that's the main battery that we run at through it. 11 volt LiPo, 5000 mAh. So it's a very big battery, and it's a very good charging battery too. So, but yeah, so need new can. I will make another video to add on to this. There are rebuild kits that you can buy for this. There's cans you can buy for it, as well as inner rotors. So that's it.